Gung Choy. Happy New Year of the Metal Ox. Today is officially the Lunar New Year. So in today's video, I will share with you 5 things that you can do today to help bring in good energy for the new year. Susan Chan here, Feng Shui Realtor based in New York City. Gung Choy literally means have a prosperous and good year because the Chinese want you not only to be happy, but prosperous. Today marks the beginning of the Year of the Ox, and this means that hard work will pay off this year, since the ox is symbolic of a hard-working animal. We'll be building ourselves back up after a pretty tough 2020, so stay focused and intentional and your hard work will pay off, I promise. But today we celebrate. Here are 5 things that you can do today to raise your vibration. Wear red. It's the most revered color for Chinese New Year. It symbolizes fire, which scares away the evil spirits. So people dress head to foot in new red clothing to scare away those demons. Do you like my red shirt today? And 2, set your intention. What do you want to create or experience this year? Write it down, and if you have a red envelope like this one, put your intention in the envelope and put it in plain view and know that it's on its way. And 3, eat yummy food. In the Chinese culture, eating long noodles, just like this, let me show you, symbolizes long life. And eating dumplings like these symbolizes money bags, so good for prosperity. And finish with something sweet like these oranges to set the sweet tone for your year. And 4, see your friends and family. Because we can't see friends and family as normal, try something like Zoom or something new I've discovered called Kumo Space. It's like a virtual cocktail party and it's so fun. Try it out and enjoy. And 5, finally relax because you deserve it. Even if it's a work day for you, try to sign off an hour earlier than usual because when the energy of the year sees that you're relaxing, it'll bring you more relaxation, and who doesn't want that? So remember, for a great day, wear something red, set your intention, eat yummy food, see friends and family, and finally, relax. Now, if you're interested in finding out what the energy of the year is for you, schedule a customized Chinese reading from me. Now, go enjoy your new year, Gung Choy, and wishing you a wonderful transition into the Chinese New Year. Did you like this video? Share with friends, family, leave a comment or subscribe. See you next time.